Okay, so welcome to the first episode of the Jake Show, and today we're gonna be going with Nerf guns. Well, Nerf guns is one fact that you shoot, then one bullet will come out. You always need to refill it whenever you play it, and don't shoot it in anyone's eyes. It will be dangerous, could kill you. Okay, so first up we got Firestrike, and this one, as you can see, there might be a laser. That's a laser, and then it will go on the floor and go on the laser, and that you need to pull all the way that back, then that will shoot, then that bullet will come out. But if you're like that at somebody, it will shoot them in the eye if that come up, so it's always dangerous. And this one is the Disruptor, really good. It holds 6 bullets each side, and it can always refill. And you got that same bullet here, no laser, and a bullet will come out there. You pull that back, and then that, you'll hear the clicking sound, and then it will come out. Then the next one here will go again and go again. Yep. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. As you can see here as well, these targets here would be, so when you stick that, these will come on. And when your bullet, if you shoot one of those, it would come down, push that, then it would go on, yeah? And if you put all of them down, it'll say goes and then go back. That only goes up to 60. That might take a while. There's only 60 bullets. It's really fun to do this. Maybe I can do it at home. The switch button at the back can switch it. This is a good one here. Okay, so first thing, this is the laser button. It can laser beam, as you can see there, and it will go on the target. When you go on the target, you can make sure one eye goes down, and then if you're ready, just shoot. Okay? First thing you need to do is put that to the back. Hold that down to make the laser cut, and then put your thing. Always put your hand here. So, as you can see, the red thing's there, and you'll go. So, as you can see there, I missed, so I refill it back in here, and then pull that back again, then go like this. Then once you've done that, it'll go. And you can see again, I missed. But this time, you can use this. So as you can see there, you can look into that eye, to go there, go down there, until there, and then you'll see your bullet. This is a lot harder than the other one, but it takes more. You can put it as back as you can. Make sure it don't bounce back. So, go. So make sure what you do is pull that back, then all these will come back around, and then you would go back and make your leg, and as you can see, I shot it. This is the easiest. Then you pull that back again until it clicks, and then, but if it drops out accidentally, it don't matter. If that's one like that, it won't work, so you have to push these as well as you can. And then as you can see, it won't work because I didn't do this, sorry. That. So sometimes you can just, sometimes the bullet could hit that, go like that, still come up. Okay. So, this next one, you can either be standing up, you can either be kneeled down like this, or you can be lying down or sitting. Yeah? As you can see, sometimes you don't want to hit that, because I was going for that one. To hit that one. At least I've got 3 in there too. Okay? I'm going to do that again. Bam. Bam. And bam. If you don't have any bullets for this, you can't really have this. You need bullets and these. So you need a tub like this to put them in, or maybe a cardboard box to put them in, or maybe just scatter around on the floor like this. Yeah? And then once you've done that, you can go on to the next one if that's filled out. So I can see I might just do this. You can see that I hit it, but it didn't go. I really enjoyed today of me learning about these. I like them 5.5 stars. You can find them at Toy Story Superstores or TK. Yeah, and then once you've done that, if you don't have one of those, just maybe wait a little bit. Just don't put them in someone's eyes. Okay? Right. I'll see you later. Bye. Sure. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you later in our next episode, in episode 2. Bye.